Now here for close round 23, after the last cluster, make a slip stitch top of first cluster here, and this round finish. Round 24, chain 1 just for a start. Unfinished front post double crochet around first cluster into this 4 loops here. Make an unfinished double crochet, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, another one around this cluster of round 23, and another unfinished double crochet, totally 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops and the cluster here like this. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another cluster here around the first front post double crochet, make an unfinished double crochet, another double crochet around next, two, another one around next, 3, and the other one around next. Now 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all, and a cluster. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another cluster around next, unfinished double crochet around the first front post double crochet, then the other one around next here, another front post double crochet around next, unfinished, and the other one around next. 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops here like this. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Skip this popcorn around this double crochet, make 5 front post double crochet popcorn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn here, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, skip this 2 chain and this popcorn, around next double crochet, make 5 front post double crochet popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one, 5. Now a popcorn here. Here 2 chain, 1, 2, around first front post double crochet, make 5 half double crochet puff stitch, 1, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 3, yarn over, 4, and yarn over the other one, 5. 11 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 10 loops only, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then a single crochet into this chain 1 space. Around each of this double crochet here, I have to make 5 half double crochet puff stitch. So around the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through 10 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. A single crochet into next, chain 1 space. Again, another puff stitch around next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a puff stitch here. A single crochet into next, chain 1 space. Another puff stitch around next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another single crochet into next. Another puff stitch around next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a puff stitch here. A single crochet into next, chain 1 space. Another puff stitch around next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet into next, chain 1 space, and another puff stitch around last double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here I made 7 puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now here in the center of this work, chain 1, a double crochet into this 2 chain space, chain 1, another double crochet into same place here, then chain 1. So here in the center like this, and again here I have to make half a stitch plus a single crochet between them. Okay, a puff stitch around the first double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a puff stitch here, a single crochet into this chain 1 space, another puff stitch around next, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A single crochet into next, another puff stitch around next, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. Now a puff stitch, a single crochet into next, another puff stitch around next, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a puff stitch here, a single crochet into next, and another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A single crochet into next, chain 1 space here, and another puff stitch around next, front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another single crochet into next, chain 1 space, and the last puff stitch here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now here, after 7 puff stitch here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7 puff stitch here, 2 chain, 1, 2, a popcorn around this double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2, 3 front post double crochet, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn here, then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, skip this popcorn, around next double crochet, make 5 front post double crochet popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn here, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and here I have to make 4 front post double crochet cluster around the cable stitch, around the first front post double crochet here, unfinished front post double crochet, the other one around next here behind this work, 2, the other one around next, 3, and the other one around next, 4. Now a cluster, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another cluster around next, around the first front post double crochet here, make a front post unfinished, and the other one around next, a front post double crochet unfinished, and the other one around next, unfinished, and the other one around next, unfinished. Now a cluster. Now here 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. I have to make 2 front post double crochet cluster. Skip first cluster around next, unfinished front post double crochet, then yarn over. The other one around this cluster I skipped exactly into this 4 chain space, 4 chain I meant here. Now a cluster, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. I repeat the pattern again. Again clusters here, popcorn here, and puff stitches here. Okay, another cluster here. Around the first front post double crochet, make unfinished front post double crochet. The other one should be around the second front post double crochet. Here exactly. And the other one around this one. And the other one around last one here, and the cluster here. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and another cluster around next. Okay, continue this round, and I come back here to close this round.